Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Benny Dawn Crazy Marcus here once again with the family. Of course, third year old, Scooter Sue's there.
Hi guys.
Turn you around a bit further.
Burgers tonight, guys.
Mad Mike's there. You're back around, or at least try. And there I am. So we've got another Temu haul. There's a parcel. If you can see, that looks quite big. Can't remember what I've ordered, but I sort of push it back so I've got a bit of room to unbox. There we are. I'm trying it up.
Are you in?
Yep, I'm in.
No, in the camera, like.
Yeah, I'm in the camera. First up, we've got a little packet. Sort of packets we used to use when sending stuff on eBay. But, God, brings back memories, don't it?
Yep.
Like, used to put maybe jewelry in them to not send them. What's inside it, I wonder?
Well, Christmas, isn't it, guys?
It's a box. So we've got some wireless microphones that are plug and play, 20 meters of accessible reception, precise radio, widely compatible, highly sensitive and clear timber. So yeah. But
Look a bit like yours.
they'd be for Mike. You can do vlogs, short vids, interviews and live shows with him. Now Mike's been wanting some mics for a while because
Mike's been wanting some mics.
when he goes up filming on his phone, it's always windy, so it's always all he ever picks up.
Could leave off the curry, I suppose, but
box,
I think this might be
I
easier.
don't want to lose the instructions. Just like. Oh, I thought you'd get the muff with them. It shows them with muffs, but anyway, that's them. I'll have a look for the muffs.
Should be muffs with them, Marcus, sure.
Yeah, there's your muffs. Your
Ah,
muffs.
me muffs.
I'm not being rude here, guys. I'm not being rude. That's what you put on the end of a mic to not stop wind getting through it. You got two mics. Then I imagine this thing here is what will plug into your phone to basically connect to the mics.
Turn it up a bit, mate, so I can see.
Yeah, so this thing plugs into your phone. These things are your mics. So I believe when you plug it into your phone, switch that on, they'll connect, and Bob's your uncle. You can hear my mic a bit clearer. Hear more of his beautiful voice. What else we got? I'm searching for some more stuff. Oh, I'm gonna do this one next, I think. So what I've got next is a sort of Hawaiian themed shirt, but more cooler. I'm gonna
We got in
keep
camera,
that
mate.
so I can not, when someone buys me shirts off, be able to like put that in there. Hang on then. So that's it. It is a sort of Halloween themed Hawaiian shirt. You got a skeleton with a surfboard on front on like a little beach. Down in the background you got like some little pumpkins, ghosts, bats, skeletons, etc. Pretty cool Halloween style Hawaiian shirt. I'll pass that to Sue because she's the folder upper. Mike's playing with his mics. I'm gonna tell you that. There's Sue folding my shirt up. What you doing, Mike?
There you go. They're a bit heavy. I will say they're a bit heavy.
Yeah. They look alright though. As long
You'll
as
have
they're
enough on them, yeah.
Yeah, it's just to get rid of that wind sound on all my videos in the winter. And when it's a little bit windy. Sounds
Or
terrible
when
on the
you've
camera.
had a curry.
Yeah, it sounds terrible on camera, so yeah, we're trying to get rid of it. Right, back to Marcus.
To be fair, I think ever since it's in my DJI's my Pocket 3, I saw how my mic worked with that, how that lot blocked the wind out. I think he's probably always wanted one. So hopefully it'll work for him. I think that's how it fits in, guys. Ignore the rest blonde background. I mean, I don't know, maybe. Is it meant to fit in your order?
Yes, it can fit in
Don't
various
twist
places.
it about.
Oh, right, so yeah, that's why it's got the adapters on. Okay, there we are. I'm still not watching. I'll leave the big thing till last.
Oh, there's someone else there. I missed it.
So we've got another little bag with some like different stuff and bits in, hopefully. I don't really know. I'm still trying to
Well, let's have a look what's in the bag first.
yeah, I'll show you what's in the bag first. Hopefully that is all in the bag.
Your head's too big, lad.
Never. So what this is yeah, a sheet. Not a shit, a sheet. Now if you probably, I can't remember what Temu Unboxing it was. I think it was the last one, was it? Yeah, I think it may have been the last one when I bought a mini projector. I love it, yeah, don't get me wrong, but my wall the wall I'm like aiming it on, it's a bit like rough, it's a bit weird, so hence why I bought a projector screen that I believe you can like build, hang up, stuff like that. Yeah, I'm not gonna get it at the back because I don't really want to ruin it. So I might build that later on today, maybe. I'll put that there. Next is some little, got some like little Halloweeny stickers so I can decorate my ghost hunting book. Hang on. Trying to open them. So just some like neon stickers, pumpkins, got like Frankenstein, haunted house, just tons of different little Halloween neon stickers, pretty cool and colourful. Now I've got to try and fit it all back into the bag without ripping them. Now here comes the final part, the big bit. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun.
What on earth is that, Marcus?
Hang on, I'll put it back there. So that, guys, is a brand new gimbal for Benidorm. Mikey has been having a few technical hitches with his. Now this is a DJI Osmo Mobile SE, which unbelievably is actual DJI branded. Now I know that you're thinking,
It's DJI.
yeah, I know that you're thinking, Dave, how on earth can you get an actual DJI product on Temu? Makes no sense, but hey ho, we've got one. Here it is. Let's open
Does
it.
it come out from a seller?
No. Front. Where it says open.
Oh. So first off, got instructions there on how to use it. Of course, does say to use an app, the DJI app,
That's
which
not good
is
up, Marcus.
what I use, but Mad Mike's an old-aged pensioner. He don't use apps. But I'm gonna get back to that. That's the me headed present for you, Mike. So first, in this little tiny white box, like most DJI products, I imagine, you get this beautiful little carry bag with Osmo, which will
I've got
will you
loads of
use
them.
will you use it, Dave?
Probably never.
Oh, okay. I mean, I've got one as well, and I hardly really use it. All I use it for is keeping my equipment in when I'm not using it, like me battery handle. So that is just like a QR code for the main app. Then a editing app it recommends to use. Of course, like most products, instructions. More instructions. More instructions, but it needs instructions. Boring.
Plug and play, eh, mate?
Why I look and play. So first out,
Pass the bag and I put the bag back.
got a decent sized tripod. Got decent sort of leg size on it. Looks sturdy. Looks good quality. USB charger.
As if we need another one, Marcus.
As if we need another one. We've got a collection full of them. Your magnetic phone holder, that's what your phone actually goes on. Then, if I could get it out, Jesus Christ, I've jammed it in here.
I'm going to get out for you, mate.
I'm almost there. Ah, there we are. The main gimbal itself. looks pretty nice. Looks pretty sturdy. How do you even unlock it then? I'll let Mike do that. There you are.
There you go.
So, of course, magnetic clip goes on there, like so. I've got to like cut that up. Right then, you just press the power button.
But you're not meant to.
Power
do
button, the
that.
first one.
Yeah.
Not the red one.
Oh, I thought it was the red one. Yeah. I mean, you're not meant to without the phone, but look, there it is. It's on. Battery display. It looks got a good gimbal. Not gonna lie. Then I'll just sort of power it off. Save this charge. I'll pass that to Mike.
You're not going to put it back in the box for me?
No, you could do that. Anyway, so yeah, that's another brilliant Temu unboxing. I'm pleased with some of the products we have got. Can't wait to put them to good use. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, if you want to see videos 24 hours early, go check out the channel membership. And as always...
Where's that at, Marcus?
Oh yeah, where that is if you click the join button next to where it says subscribe. That will then take you to the membership. Now, don't worry, it isn't as hard as you think. I have only got one level, and that one level is pretty cheap, at about €1, so it's not too badly priced. It's a good thing to do, so yeah, go check it out. As always, don't forget to go subscribe to Benny Dorm Scooter Sue, and of course Benny Dorm Mad Mike.
As always.
As always, and I'll see you next time. Adios.